Ready to deck out your agents with the coolest skins, but unsure how to pay? Let's dive into making purchases in Valorant using your debit card. First, launch your Valorant client and head over to the in-game store. You'll see various bundles and items available for purchase. Select the item or bundle you wish to buy. This will open up the payment portal here. You'll see different payment methods. Look for the option to add a new payment method. Click on Add Payment Method and choose the debit card option. You'll need to carefully enter your debit card details, the full card number, the expiration date, the CVV code found on the back of your card, and your billing address. Ensure this information matches what your bank has on file. Once you've entered all the required information, review it thoroughly. When you're confident everything is correct, click to confirm your purchase. Your Valorant points, or VP, should appear in your account shortly after a successful transaction. Having trouble? Common issues include incorrect card details or insufficient funds. Double-check all the information you entered. If the problem persists, try contacting your bank or Riot Games support for assistance. And that's it. You're now ready to use your debit card to get the items you want in Valorant. Enjoy your new gear.